Join me as I deep dive into the mysteries of my own mind and try to figure out what's really going on in there. Our minds are incredibly complex, and it's astonishing how much they influence our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, our minds are constantly working, processing information, making decisions, and shaping our experiences. The mind's complexity is so vast that it's often difficult to fully comprehend, and yet, understanding it is crucial for navigating life's challenges and achieving our goals. The way we think about our minds and their workings is often clouded by misconceptions and myths. Many people believe that they have complete control over their thoughts and emotions, but the truth is that our minds are influenced by a multitude of factors, including our past experiences, cultural backgrounds, and social environments. These factors can shape our perceptions, biases, and behaviors in profound ways, often outside of our conscious awareness. For instance, our memories are not always reliable, and our brains can distort or manipulate them to fit our current narrative or emotional state. This can lead to a distorted view of ourselves and the world around us. Our thoughts and emotions are also intertwined with our physical health, and neglecting one aspect can have significant consequences on the others. The mind-body connection is well documented, with stress, anxiety, and other mental states affecting our physical well-being, and vice versa. Furthermore, the way we think about ourselves and our ability can have a profound impact on our motivation, self-esteem, and overall mental health. The dangers of negative self-talk, self-doubt, and catastrophic thinking are real, and they can hold us back from reaching our full potential. The human brain is wired to respond to threats, and this can sometimes lead to an overactive stress response, making it difficult to calm down and think clearly. This can be particularly challenging in today's fast-paced world, where we're constantly bombarded with information, stimuli, and expectations. As a result, many people struggle to understand their own thought processes, emotions, and behaviors, leading to feelings of confusion, frustration, and disconnection. By acknowledging these challenges, we can begin to develop a more compassionate and realistic understanding of ourselves and our minds. The science behind our thoughts, emotions, and cognitive biases is fascinating and complex. Research has shown that our brains are wired to recognize patterns, and this can sometimes lead to errors in judgment and perception. Cognitive biases such as confirmation bias, anchoring bias, and availability heuristic can influence our decision-making processes and lead to suboptimal outcomes. Moreover, our emotions play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and relationships, and understanding emotional intelligence is essential for building strong, healthy connections with others. Emotions are not just feelings, they're also physical sensations in the body, and they can be intense and overwhelming at times. The way we experience and regulate our emotions can have a significant impact on our mental health and well-being. By acknowledging and accepting our emotions, rather than trying to suppress or deny them, we can begin to develop a more nuanced understanding of ourselves and our emotional landscapes. This, in turn, can help us develop more effective coping strategies and improve our overall emotional resilience. Our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are all interconnected, and making changes in one area can have a profound impact on the others. By developing a greater awareness of our thought patterns, emotional responses, and behavioral habits, we begin to identify areas where we'd like to make changes and work towards creating a more balanced, fulfilling life. This might involve challenging negative thought patterns, practicing emotional regulation, or developing more constructive coping strategies. The key is to approach ourselves with kindness, curiosity, and patience, rather than judgment or criticism. The power of mindfulness and awareness is transforming our thought patterns, and improving mental well-being cannot be overstated. By cultivating a greater awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations, we can begin to develop a more nuanced understanding of ourselves and our experiences. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase feelings of relaxation and well-being. Moreover, by developing a greater sense of self-awareness, we can begin to recognize patterns and habits that may be holding us back and work towards creating more positive, empowering ones. Mindfulness is not just a practice, it's a way of being, a way of approaching life with curiosity, openness, and non judgment. By embracing mindfulness, we can begin to develop a greater sense of compassion, empathy, and understanding for ourselves and others. This, in turn, can lead to a more harmonious relationships, greater emotional intelligence, and a more profound sense of connection to ourselves and the world around us. The benefits of mindfulness are numerous. They can have a lasting impact on our mental health, well-being, and overall quality of life. As we explore the complexities of our minds, we may encounter challenges, setbacks, and uncertainties. However, by approaching ourselves with kindness, patience, and curiosity, we can begin to navigate these challenges with greater ease and confidence. The journey of self-discovery is not always easy, but it's a journey that's essential for growth, transformation, and fulfillment. By cultivating mindfulness, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence, we can begin to unlock our full potential and live a more authentic, meaningful life. The key insights here is that our minds are capable of transformation and that we have the power to shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By developing a greater awareness of our minds and their workings, we can begin to create positive changes in our lives and cultivate a more profound sense of well-being, happiness, and fulfillment. This is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and self-compassion, but the rewards are well worth it. So, in summary, understanding what's going on in our minds is crucial for navigating life's challenges, achieving our goals, and cultivating a deeper sense of well-being and fulfillment. By recognizing the complexities of our minds, challenging common misconceptions, and cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, we can begin to develop a more nuanced understanding of ourselves and our experiences. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about mental health strategies, be sure to check out my next videos where I'll be exploring practical tips and techniques for managing stress, anxiety, and other common mental health challenges. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be kind to yourselves.